Yo, what's up, you guys? It's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been posting. I've been getting my act together, and I've been really working hard. On my other channel, it's actually a food review channel, and I started that one with my dad, and yes, still got that makeup on. Anyway, we are up to 70 subscribers. I'll be sure to send some of them over this way. I don't know how well I'm doing. I don't think I'm doing very good on this channel, but why not try? So, I'll try to post every week. I was trying to figure out something to do for a video. And I thought, what do people love more than anything in the world, especially coming from a little girl? Slime. So, I have a lot of slimes. As you can see, it's just a never-ending pile of slimes. And today, we're going to be doing a slime smoothie. Let's get into it. I don't have an editing feature. Okay. I have my bowl, have my mixing tool. Let's get started. So, the first slime I'm going to be adding is... No, we're not starting with that one. That one is my all-time favorite slime, you guys. Just saying. We'll start with this slime. First slime we're going to be adding is the only one in a container. Here it is. It's like a nice, light grayish color. It has like a greenish tint to it, but it's mostly gray. It's very nice, very stretchy, very squeezy. It has some nice pokes and some nice crunches. Now, I know I have a lot of slime. But I don't know if I'm mentally ready to say goodbye to all of it yet, so I'll keep a little bit. And for slime, actually, I might have to keep a little bit more because I don't think that my slimes will all fit into that bowl if I don't. So first slime, going in. Oh my gosh, that's so... Okay, next slime, I want to keep this centered. Next slime will be... I'll go with this slime. This slime is not a very good slime. It used to be like my favorite slime, and then... I mean, like, it's a good slime for what kind of slime it is. I just don't feels like a cloud slime. If you guys don't know what that kind of slime is, it's not very popular. It's just a super soft, not very fluffy slime, but like it has a little bit of shaving cream. It's like a deflated, fluffy slime. They don't even really have too many good pops in them, and they aren't that good at poking, but I'll go ahead and try for you guys anyway. That's pretty much the only plus about it, is that it's super soft and like you can squish it. But I'm still going to keep some, because, you know, I may not be mentally ready, but you know, it has some really nice memories, like, of the videos and stuff. Basically, I had a whole entire another channel, and most of them was slime, but I accidentally deleted the account. Don't know how it happened, but it did. So there it goes. But anyway, there's the next slime. I feel so ridiculous. It's not her bag for that, although it wasn't too different before. I'm professional eating popcorn. Next one will be the slime. I need a drink. I have one right there. I'm tempted. This one has some really nice pokes. Oh my gosh. It's a pretty decent stretch. Test the crunch. Okay. Oh yeah. That was a nice one. Whew. I really hope this doesn't turn out brown, but it probably will. So yeah. Next slime. Going in the bowl. That does not look too nice yet. Sorry. I really want to poke them all, but can't do that yet. Because gotta wait and mix them all up at the end. Some of these things aren't very activated. That's why I got my stick to mix it all together. So, and I know it's off to the side. You can just deal with it. This slime. This is an orange Halloween slime. Sorry for all the bag noises. This slime is awful and all the beads fall out of it. But might as well give you guys a nice look at it. It is very festive, so I'm definitely going to keep some of this. It's really festive. And Halloween is coming up. Sure, it's summer, but Halloween is the next holiday. So, gosh, I'll probably make some more of this. But I'll put in this much. Go. Finally getting some color. There we go. Where's the bag? Okay. Oh my gosh. I seriously feel so ridiculous. Whatever. I could literally have a tiny square bag. I actually have some of them, not at the moment. I'm gonna go special and go for my egg slime. This slime is a really pretty Easter slime. So nice. It's like a grayish purple. And an egg. It's called Easter egg slime. And it has some sequins. It has so many glitters in it. Literally pure rainbow glitter. And yeah, it's nice, fluffy, and soft. Plus stretchy. And that's what it looks like. Oh, I used to fit so perfectly. Oh well. And it is in. So I've officially, wait, let me just move them around a little bit. Okay, I've officially covered the bottom. Okay, I'm so sad right now. Like, there really isn't any going back at this point. No, this is going to be a long video. Sorry. So next slime will be this slime. I'm going to quit explaining them and just put them in. Because it is a very long video. Kind of why I'm trying to hurry. So this slime, it's pretty much the same slime, just not as colorful. Probably just same slime, just in a different bag. I'm willing to bet. But, whatever. Next slime. Again, pretty much same slime in a different bag. I seriously have so much of this slime, it's insane. So, actually, I'm just gonna clear slime. Don't have a lot of this one, just gonna whoop. Okay, you know what? Whatever. Next slime. This slime is a gel slime, and gel slimes are so cool. Going in. I can't afford to do like 20-minute videos of a paper can, which is usually how long my videos are. That's why I never post, because I make videos and then they're too long, and I can't edit them down. So again, I don't want editing that. But yeah, this one means a lot to me. So this one really, it's coming from the heart whenever I do this. Okay, not that much. I still like to keep some of it. But here we go, about half of it. There we go. So now this next one is a purplish slime. This is another failed. This is a failed Halloween slime. It's not really even that pretty, and it's very bad. So I'm just gonna toss that one in there. Sorry, I probably shouldn't poke that. But dang, that felt nice. That thing is big. Okay. 2 last slimes. So I'll add the next one last. This slime means like a lot to me. It's like super special. It is a beautiful, beautiful mermaid slime. Okay, this is going by way too quickly. Okay. Trying to break it. There we go. It does not rip easily. Here we go. But it is very stiff. So, you know, I'm just going to set that slime up there. Last slime. This is a red slime. It's a crunchy red slime. It's, like, so nice. Okay. And, oh my gosh. I have just made a slime smoothie. I am so impressed with myself. I really hope it's pretty, and I really hope it'll fit into this container. I don't think so. Alright, let's start mixing. Oh wow, that looks so pretty. I think I'm going to go in my hands. Wow, that is such a weird texture. Alright, I'm bringing it onto the table. Do you guys see this? It's like so colorful. Wow. Wow, this is turning gross quick. It's so big. Whoa, you guys, this is so big. It's probably the biggest slime I've ever had. It's so big. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh, taking all that beauty. This is also like a really nice slime. Wow, this is like really good. Don't you dare try and run away. Let's try this. Whoa. That's good. So nice. Now I want to do one thing. See if this will work here. That is so cool. That's never worked. Nope. Not a thick enough spot. Okay. Do you guys see that? That was so cool. This is kind of pretty. This is like a really nice slime, and it's very stretchy. It's really weird. It kind of hurts to squeeze because, like, all these sequins. Oh, here's the up close of it. Oh yeah. So this is a really nice slime. If you guys want to see me do this again, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Wow, that's really nice. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, this is like a really nice slime. Let me just tell you, it's like so nice. And it's so big. Pretty much every slime in here is fluffy slime too. Or crunchy slime or something. One of them was butter slime. So yeah.